Hello students, how are you? This is another class with you on chapter 5. I'm gonna discuss the chapter 5. Already some of the part of this chapter I discussed in the previous class when everything was fine. But now I'm gonna discuss it full chapter. So I just reviewed something that already I discussed. So the first from the beginning, the legal aspect of business. What is the legal aspect of business? That means the legal bindings or legal the rules and regulation that which have to be followed to do business is called legal aspects of business. That means rules and regulations or principles that a businessman should follow while he form a business. Okay, license. First one is document. Legal documents are first one license. When you start a business, that means you have to get a permission from the city corporation office or register from the register of the office. So this is called license. That means the written document or written permission which you have to collect from the register office is called license to start up a new business or form a new business and run a business. To start any kind of business, approval should be taken or registered from the respective authority. So this is called license. License in a sole proprietorship business, you can license getting the license is not the mandatory, but if you get if you form a business in the city corporate under city corporation or city urban area, you have to collect the license from the city corporation office. And partnership business, in partnership business, this is process is same, and registration of joint listed companies is almost similar, but there are something different additional activities. So you have to study it carefully. Carefully you should study it. As per Company Act, registration of joint stock companies in Bangladesh is mandatory. That means in sole proprietorship business, this was not mandatory. In partnership business, that was not also mandatory. But in registration of joint stock of company, in joint stock companies, you have to register your business, and this is mandatory. In this case, registration is done by the register of the joint stock companies, and the originators apply to the register along with other related originators. That means founders of the business or originator of the business apply for the registration copy to the registrar with legal documents or legal documents of the business. And you have to pay the as a fixed amount of money to collect the registration form or application license. So this is the basic thing. And now franchising I already told it. Franchising means you have to this is a legal right to use the brand name. That means in our country, Transcom uses the brand name of KFC, and this is called franchising. That means the agreement between the franchisor and franchisee to use the franchisor's product name. What are the characteristics? Characteristics is deed of agreement between franchisor and franchisee. There are two parties. First one is franchisor and second one is franchisee. Franchisor means who is the owner of the brand name, and franchisee is who is using the brand name. Branded products or service, monitoring by the franchisor to ensure the quality of the product. And second is the franchisee agreement. Agreement contains some issues. First one is franchisor has to pay particular amount of fee. Franchisee must agree to invest required amount of investment. Both the parties shall have the objective to earn money. Franchisor starts to earn from the day of receiving fees. As per agreement, the franchisor may keep the right to place selection in infrastructure development and ownership of these things to him. If the business is not satisfactory level, that means franchisor can shut down the business. Franchisee can sell only those items which are acceptable to the franchisor. That means all the powers and authority all the will be held by the franchisor. That means who is the owner of the brand name. So This is the franchise. Already this portion I discussed in the class, but I just reviewed it so you can recall it easily. And I'm giving you some questions related to these topics. You have to write down. This is your homework. You have to write down these questions in your copy. Legal aspects of business: what is license, explain it. Second one is what is franchising, write down the characteristics of franchising. And number three, write down the contents of franchising agreement, already I told you and discussed you. And number four, what are the pros and cons of franchising? Pros and cons you will find out the last para of the franchising topic. You can find out here. That means the para above the intellectual properties, you can find out in here the advantage. You can find out that the business through franchising, such there are many advantages of doing business through franchising, such as marketing of branded products, training of workers, getting business related advice from the franchisor, and having arrangement of financing facility. And disadvantages are tight monitoring, probability of cancellation of agreement on breaching of any terms or clause of the contract, and requirement of large amount of investment, etc. So these are the pros and cons you will find out in here. So I request you, please write down the question answers on your copy. It will be your homework. So that's all for today. Bye bye.